Hello everyone! Samahan niyo kong magluto ng another easy and delicious vegetable dish. This is steamed bitter gourd with ground pork. Ito yung ating ingredients. So 1 big bitter gourd, ground pork, green onion leaves, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, potato starch, white pepper, sugar and seasoning, sesame oil, Shaoxing wine, ginger. Let's make it. Ito yung ating ground pork. Lagay yung ating sugar and seasoning, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, potato starch, sesame oil, white pepper. Haluin mabuti. Yan, haluin, kailangan mag-mix together. Haluin mabuti. And then, add natin ang ating green onion leaves. Pagkalagay ng green onion leaves, haluin ulit. And then, add natin ang ating Shaoxing wine or cooking wine. And then, haluin again. After that, ilagay naman natin yung ating ginger na huli. Nakalimutan ko yung ginger. Okay lang yan, ayan. And then, haluin lang mabutiin. Pag hinalo natin, one side lang ha. Hindi pwedeng scrambled side. And then, ito naman yung ating bitter gourd. Hiniwa ko siya ng 12 pieces. After mahiwa ng 12 pieces, tanggalin natin yung pinakaloob. Ayan, ganyan. Tapos, ilagyan lang natin ng konting salt. Tapos, hugasan yan. After yan, malinis na. Isalansa naman sa isang plate. Ayan. Yan yung ginamit kong plate. After that, pagkasalansan, ilagay sa loob yung ating ginawang ground pork. Ayan. Ilagay lahat yan sa loob. Ayan na, tapos na yung ating product. And steam natin for 10 minutes. Gawa naman tayo ng sauce. Light soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, sugar, white pepper, potato starch, and water. Mix together. Ayan na. Tapos na yung 10 minutes. Set aside naman natin. Sa pan, lagay natin yung ginawang sauce. Ihaluin lang para maging thick. And then, garnish natin ang ating green onion. And ilagay natin yung sauce.
Wow!
And it's ready. Let's eat. Thank you for watching.